Ooh. Oh, whoa, look at this. Look at it. This is sick low-key. What? What? Hey there, welcome to another DIY with me. Today we're going to be reverse tie-dyeing this midi dress. I was actually getting ready to throw it out. It was in the throw out pile when I put it on really quickly to run outside to get something, and I thought, you know what, this dress is too cute to throw out. But I'm pretty sure it has sweat and deodorant stains on it, and that's unattractive. So I'm going to pour some bleach on it to try and camouflage the stains and see if I can turn it into something new and wearable so I don't have to throw it out. So if you're interested in the end result, keep watching. So to get started, you're going to need your item, of course, some rubber bands, because remember, tie-dye is a resist dye technique, so you're going to need to cut off certain parts of the fabric so the bleach in this case doesn't reach it. A bucket. I think I'm going to try an accordion pleat design using the bleach, so that's why I need the bucket. And of course, the OG bleach, okay? So let's get started. First, let's fold the item into the design that we want. Actually, let me fix the camera so that you can see what I'm doing. All right, so for the accordion pleat, what you'll want to do, I don't know which way to lay this, but what you'll want to do is begin folding the item into, well, an accordion pleat. And what does that look like? Let me show you. So take one end of the garment, fold it a little bit this way, right? Turn it around and fold it the other way. Making sure, if you want to iron, use an iron to iron the pleats down so that they are super straight. Go ahead and do that. But I think I'm okay with just, using my free hand on this. So that's what I'll do. And the reason why you want to pleat this instead of just fold it is because you want the bleach in this case to penetrate the entire different parts of the fabric, and if you just fold it like you regularly would, that's not going to happen. So that's why we're pleating it. So where are we? Okay, so I'm just gonna keep going back and forth till I have my accordion pleat. So pleat it this way, turn it again, go that way. It's tricky with the neck part for sure. Go this way, and I think we have one last fold. And that way. I'm just gonna go in now and make sure that it's laying as it should. I hope the camera is set up so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so this is pretty much it when we're done. And then now I'm going to use my rubber bands to tie off certain sections. This is a long piece of clothing, so I don't know. I haven't seen this done, but oh, I wonder if I can double pleat it. So then I go this way and that way. Do you guys see what I'm doing here? This way, that way, making a little pleated sandwich. Right? Oh my god. Something like this is what we have left, right? And I'm going to take it and secure it with a couple of rubber bands. I think 3. what it looks like when I'm done. Now for the fun part. So grab your bucket, grab your bleach, and I guess something to measure with. We're going to add water to the bleach. Bleach is some powerful stuff. What you don't want is for it to eat through the clothing, so I think the water kind of helps. I'm gonna eyeball this because I don't have a measuring close by, but you know, you should measure it if you're more comfortable with that. So I put a splash of bleach and I guess an equal splash of water. Actually, before I dip this into the bleach and water mixture here, I think I want to dampen the item so that, I don't know, I feel like if it goes in damp, should I dampen it? Okay, no, fuck it. Let's just toss it in there, okay? So let's grab a glove and, oh my God. So here's my glove. I have water and bleach in this bucket, remember? And I'm just gonna toss it in. And allow it to really get soaked. Yes, get in there. Feel like it's absorbed. Now, I'm gonna put this out in the sun to activate the bleach and really get it going. You can obviously leave it out and just, you know, have it do its thing, just wherever you're working, but I wanna put it in the sun, so I'm gonna go do that, okay? I'll be back. It's been, I think, about 10 minutes, and this is what it looks like now. I'll admit, I'm not really seeing a drastic change in color. So, dude, what's going on? I just flipped it so the other side can get nice and sunny, and I'll keep waiting and see what happens. Okay, so it's been about an hour and a half. I just brought the dress back inside. During that 1 hour and a half, I was checking on it periodically, turning it and flipping it around. To be honest, I haven't seen much of a difference. It just looks, you know, sun faded, not even bleached. I forgot to check the, you know, fabric blend on this. It's probably a polyester and not a cotton polyester blend, and probably that's why I'm not seeing such a drastic change in the color as I expected to see. But you know, it's been done, so let's go ahead and unravel this and see if we got a pattern out of it, okay? Hopefully something happened and it's gonna look good and we didn't completely ruin the dress. Okay, let's rinse it out. Ooh. Oh, whoa, look at this! Look at it, guys! This is still with the bleach on it. Yo, this is sick low-key. What? What? Okay. Let me rinse it. So this is the pattern we ended up with. What do we think? Does this look good? I'm gonna go look in the mirror. Give me 1 second. Oh, this is interesting. Guys, girls, what do you think? I think it's nice. It's interesting, isn't it? And see, look, now the armpits that were faded and kind of stained don't look so out of place because the entire dress is faded and stained. And this is what it looks like. So interesting. Okay, well, I'm gonna wash this properly. Make sure I got all the bleach out of it. I'm gonna hang it up to dry, and then I'll probably try it on to see what it looks like if we have a brand new dress. But okay, while we're here, let's check what the fabric was. Let's see. Oh, this dress is from Forever 21, by the way. It's an old one. Okay, so 62% polyester, 33% rayon, and 5% spandex. Okay, so a cotton dress the color would have lifted off of that probably immediately. And with polyester, you saw what happened. I left it out in the sun and it kind of just faded it. But yeah, so just keep that in mind depending on what you're reverse dyeing, that you might get a different effect. But oh my God, it's cute. I like it. Okay, so I'll be back with a try on, okay? Yeah.